Alright, here we have an older Carrier air conditioner that just started up. It's a Bristol reciprocating compressor. Most of the air is being coming out on the outsides of the grill. It's from 1996 and it's a 2-ton. And the suction line is ice cold and sweaty. Looks like it's working great. Looks like a good one right there. Looks like it's a 1.5 ton 2014. Couple more Carriers. This one is a little newer. It's from 2002. Sweating on it. Yeah, 2002, 1.5 ton. Looks like the section line is nice and cold. Sweaty. A few more over here. It looks like the fan grills have been painted recently on these. Workout X. That's a Goodman scroll. It's from 2021. I looked at it earlier. This York just stirred up right after I turned off the camera. It's got a Pilatos fan motor. I'll go ahead and show the data sheet on it. It's a 14 SEER. It's a 1.5 ton from 2021. Yeah, these all have Bristol compressors. Got a bunch of SmartComforts right here. And this one is super quiet. Blowing some hot air out. One and a half ton from 1996. Here's a couple older Rheem air conditioners.